In front of me is Motorola Moto E14 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it and go back by tapping on the top left corner. To use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use pen icon at the top right corner, click on your sentence and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of those sentences, tap on the pen again, click on the chosen one and use bin icon instead. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!